Curious about adding fun GIF Notes on Messenger? Here's a simple guide to help you do it. Initially start by opening the Messenger app on a device. Next, click on the Add Note option at the top left corner. Then select the GIF icon located next to the music icon. Here scroll the GIFs. If you are looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top and type in the keyword. Once you find the GIF you like, click on it to select it. Before sharing, you can also manage who can see your note by tapping the change button at the bottom. Here you can choose to show it to everyone, hide it from certain people, or even set a display duration. After customizing your settings, hit the Save button at the top right to apply your preferences. Finally, tap Share to post your GIF note. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful Messenger tips.